All right, who's ready for me to move this thing and clean the top? Let's do it. All right, this shit's gonna overwhelm me, but I'm sticking through, I'm following through. I had a little hiccup there, but we're following through and we're getting rid of shit. Oh, cute. We're keeping him. My kids have like 100 of these. Dang, it's broken, so. This is broken too. It used to be like an opener. I think I'm gonna take this off and then throw the wood thing away. Okay, I believe this bread is still good. These are like little water bottle ice cube things. We'll keep that. Okay, breast pump thing is gonna go away. Cheyenne, you keep texting me and ruining my video. Why is this in here? I don't know. It's gross. Should I throw it away? It's the only one I have. I could just buy a new one. Okay, we're just gonna go like that. All right. Let's see, what else is this? What is this? It's a freshener for your fridge. Cool. We'll use that when we clean out the fridge after I pull it out. I'm gonna speed things up. Okay. So now I have a basket that I put and moved. Yeah, it's an ADHD thing. The rest of this is garbage. Oh my god. Just like a box of just books, random, like a fucking glove. Lord help my brain. And I'm just gonna keep this like this right now because my main focus is this, so we'll deal with that another time. And I know you guys are gonna say I'm gonna do that. Okay. Lordy. Oops, I ripped the whole man. Let's see, it's still good. Piece of my fridge. Ew. I'm gonna keep that.